Pastor Freeze mà ti wọ wàhálà o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Pastor Tobi Adegboye. Pastor Tobi yìí gbajúmọ̀ ní UK tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ nítorí ó máa ń kó ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn young people mọ́ra, àmọ́ àwọn ẹ̀sùn kan nọ́mbà ti fi kàn ó. Wọ́n fi ẹ̀sùn gbájúẹ̀ kàn, wọ́n fi ẹ̀sùn ìbánilòpọ̀ wọ́n fi kàn. Ezinne Dora Káyọ̀dé, ìyàwó agbábọ́ọ̀lù Nàìjíríà kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní Káyọ̀dé Ọlánrewájú, ni wọ́n ti fi ẹ̀sùn gbájúẹ̀ àgbèrè ìjínigbé kàn, pẹ̀lú pé ó fi ọdún méje ju ọkọ ẹ̀ lọ, síbẹ̀ ó sì tún tan ọkọ ẹ̀ yìí títí wọ́n fi márì. Wọ́n fi ẹ̀sùn kan arábìnrin yìí, ìyẹn Mrs. Káyọ̀dé yìí, pé ó ń ṣe yùnkẹ́yùnkẹ́ pẹ̀lú Pastor Tobi Adegboye yìí, tó sì máa ń fi ilé ọkọ ẹ̀ lẹ̀ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà. Ìyàwó fúbọ́là yìí náà ni wọ́n tún fẹ̀sùn kàn pé ó jí Mercedes SUV méjì látọ̀dọ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀ láti fi ran pásítọ̀ yìí lọ́wọ́, tó sì ń wá bí wọ́n ṣe máa transfer ownership, wípé ká transfer ẹni tó lọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀rígbó lágbára. Kódà wọ́n fi ẹ̀sùn kan pé ó jí ọmọ mẹ́ta tó bí fún ọkọ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì tí ì mọbi tí àwọn ọmọ ọ̀hún wà títí di bá a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀, pẹ̀lú pé ọ̀rọ̀ ti dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá nìyẹn o. Agbábọ́ọ̀lù yìí fẹ̀sùn kan ìyàwó ẹ̀ pé ó parọ́ pé lọ́ọ̀yà lòun, ó sì máa ń lo oògùn olóró. Ó tún fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ pé ó ń lo àwọn ọlọ́pàá láti mú òun ṣe ohun tí ò yẹ kóun ṣe. Mọ̀ kí èèyàn máa fipá múyàn láti ṣe nǹkan. Ìròyìn wá jẹ́ kó yé wa pé agbábọ́ọ̀lù yìí ti gbìyànjú àti parẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀mejì nítorí wàhálà tó pọ̀ lọ́rùn ẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ìyàwó ẹ̀ àti Pastor Tobi, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn ṣe gbé. Kódà ó ní àwọn èèyàn ń threaten òun lóríṣiríṣi. Ìgbà kan tiẹ̀ wà pàápàá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ pásítọ̀ yìí tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ìjọba UK ní kí wọ́n ti chọ́ọ̀chì pásítọ̀ yìí pa nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣòwò mọ̀kùmọ̀kù tó tó bí £1.9 million. Ìwádìí nígbà náà jẹ́ kó yé àwọn èèyàn pé pásítọ̀ yóò lè fi àrídájú sílẹ̀ lórí bó ṣe ń náwó ìjọ àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Àǹtí Àdùnní ti wá jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pátápátá o, wípé ẹ wo Daddy Freeze ní kẹ́ ẹ tètè mú o, kẹ́ ẹ tètè ṣèwádìí lórí ẹ̀, nítorí òun lọ̀rẹ́ Pastor Tobi yìí tí wọ́n jọ ń lògbà, tí wọ́n jọ ń káàkiri. Kódà Daddy Freeze yìí ń promote Pastor Tobi yìí, pé Daddy Freeze tó ń kọ̀ndẹ́mù àwọn pásítọ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí pé wọ́n ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ ọ̀jọ́. Kí ló dé tí ò ṣe tí wàá sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ ti kan pásítọ̀ tiẹ̀ báyìí, ìyẹn Pastor Tobi Adegboye ti ìlú UK. Wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára o. Àwọn àṣírí kan tún wá tú tí àǹtí Àdùnní tú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nípa Daddy Freeze fúnra ẹ̀. Daddy Freeze yẹn jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ kan lórí rédíò tó jẹ́ pé ó tún máa ń wà lórí social media, tó tiẹ̀ tún wá jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ social media gan ni wọ́n mọ̀ ọ́ fún. Àṣírí tú nípa Pastor Tobi yìí, ẹ já gbọ́. Welcome to crossblog X TV. Remember to like, share and follow us. Ẹ já gbóhùn lẹ́nu àǹtí Àdùnní lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Daddy Freeze, Pastor Tobi àti ìyàwó agbábọ́ọ̀lù tí wọ́n ní ó ń ṣe yùnkẹ́yùnkẹ́ pẹ̀lú Pastor Tobi.
Daddy Freeze, you have called out the likes of Baba Adegboye. You have called out the likes of Baba Kumuyi, the likes of Funke. What's that woman's name again? Funke. Somebody should remind me of Funke. I don't want to call you understand their real name, Gogon. You have called all of them out of defrauding and swindling people of their hard-earned money, right? Now, this guy, he has a lot of cases. Funke Adejumo, thank you. This Tobi Adegboye guy, again, has been accused in a fraud case. And they mention his name specifically. Instead of Tobi to come out, Tobi was saying they cannot spoil his name. The Church of God is smashing up. Is it true somebody carrying husband car? Look, all you men, if you have a woman that is close to pastor, you are done. If your woman is sold to their pastors, now then go finish your finances and finish your life for you. If you allow them too close. Now, this is a case of allegation of fraud against your friend, Daddy Freeze. Your friend that is buying you Rolex watch. Rolex less or the kobo. Ó kọjá blogging tó ń ṣe, Daddy Freeze. You need to be investigated. Yes, they need to put their radar on you. You are the same person where they go interview Hush Puppy in those days. Let him be live. You are the same person that used to go to Hush Puppy in those days. When they arrest Hush Puppy finish, you chop clean mouth as if to say you were not part of wetin Hush Puppy dey do. Why are they seeing you with questionable character? You that you are calling people to order. I'm asking question. I'm not accusing you of anything now. You that you are always calling people to order. Why is your name always being mentioned in all this kind of case? And when they talk, you will not say peep. You will carry your face as if you did not see anything. You have been flexing and doing bam bam with this guy. This Tobi Adegboye, where UK government they investigate, UK government should start putting their radar on you. There is something about you that is not right. You cannot be staining, you cannot be moving with people that have stain on their body and you will say you are clean. That's a lie. There is something about you. UK government, where you dey go, Mr. Tobi, they should start putting their radar on you. There is something about you that is not okay. There is something about you that is not okay. They should investigate you. They should start. You are calling for government to investigate pastors, Abi. You are saying pastors are not doing the right thing, Abi. You yourself, you need to be investigated. You are the one they will see with Hush Puppy. You are the one they will see with Tobi Adegboye. Tobi Adegboye that is using vulnerable young children that has cases with UK government. You are the one. This Tobi Adegboye will move these children close. According to what you are saying, go to expose it. Somebody should remind me. Ollie, what is the name of those young children's page on YouTube? Go and hear what they are saying about Tobi Adegboye. These are people that escaped from Tobi Adegboye's church. Expose. Let me go to YouTube. Maybe I will remember. He that will come with equity must come with a clean hands. Daddy Freeze. He that will come with equity must come with a clean hands. You cannot be shying away from after when you see the whole truth. You only pick selected truth. That is not truth. You are supposed to speak against every injustice and lies that you see. Somebody should remind me. Exposure, is it Exposure? Alex Ogwa, I think it's Exposure. Please love and like. You don't love and like, Joe. Only man, something has gone wrong with my page, but please love and like and help me to reshare. Video. What is the name of that exposer? Thank you. Dizzy Jigs exposer on YouTube. Go there. Everything about Adegboye is on that page. Everything you need to know is on that page. Those are people that were there and escaped. And you know, also really, they were so much on those people's page. They didn't allow that people's page to grow. You know, let me tell you one thing about these pastors, and let me tell you something about them. Once you start talking about and exposing them, they will look for ways to make sure your page does not go. You know, and this exposure people, is it exposer again? Exposer. If you go to their page, whatever you want to know that has been going on, those people, even though I don't think they are talking anymore, but what they have spoken is enough. So go and listen to some of their videos on YouTube. These are young adults that know what was going on there. They even talk of not even only financial abuse, fraud and everything. There are other things that they said is going on. Ni ileti boboye lo unko won si. The case is almost similar to the case of a pastor Timoni Kilo investigating Ibi. You know, they gather young people. And like I said, when Tito B, by the time UK government will be ready for Tobi, it's not only Tobi that will go to jail. You know why? Tobi is very smart. Tobi is not doing what he's doing alone, and he's not even doing it directly. He's not doing it directly. What Tobi is doing is that he is hiding, he's using those young ones that already have issues with UK government. He's using them to do what he is doing. He's putting them at the forefront. That is why they have a lot of pastors in his church. He's not the one at the forefront. So by the time they are ready to really, they will still do. You know, Oyinbo does not do a case the way we do it. They take their time. They gather evidences. They start gathering evidences. That evidence can take them for the next 10 years. It can take them for the next 15 years. It can even take them for the next 50 years. By the time they will be ready. You will be shocked what they have on you. Tobi is playing smart, but already they have some things on him. That was why he changed, at a point, he changed the name of his church. The original name, somebody remind me what the name is. It used to be a name. Is it Spark Nation he was using before? Is it Spark Nation he's using now? He had to change the name of the church. And at that time, when he was changing it, he now took a back seat. Daddy Freeze, why are you not coming out to analyze this issue? Why are you not coming out to create awareness that Tobi Adegboye can put a lot of young ones into trouble? Why are you not coming out to talk about what BBC UK government is investigating on Tobi Adegboye? Are you telling us you don't know, or you are not caring because Tobi Adegboye is spending money on you? Why are you not asking question how Tobi Adegboye will be buying a bag of £100,000 and be dashing it out to people? Why are you not asking question where Tobi Adegboye is getting his own money from? Tobi is not even from a rich family. He's from a humble background. So it is not as if he inherited wealth somewhere. We don't like questioning wealth in our country, and that is why we are having the problem we are having. We only worship wealth. Daddy Freeze, government needs to start investigating you. UK government needs to put their radar on you when you travel. They need to investigate you. There is something not right about the way you close your eyes and you put your face when it comes to these people's case. You only pick, even the ones you are picking, those ones, they not steal. They are not even destroying people with what Tobi Adegboye is doing. Because by the time UK government is ready with going at Tobi Adegboye, a lot of people under Tobi Adegboye, they will follow him to go and eat beans. He's not the only one going. Shebi, the other pastors you are calling out, all these Daddy Geos and the rest, their own is to collect offering and tithes, right? But Tobi will send a lot of young ones into Kalo by the time UK government is ready for him. And you are not talking and creating awareness on that. Now, they have accused that you are the acquittance of somebody. Mumbo. If they tell me I will have strength to talk like this morning, I will say it's a lie. I didn't even want to come out again because I was very weak this morning. That's why I didn't come out since 2 days now. I don't have the stamina to talk, but it's like, let me look for that post.
Ẹ rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára kì í ṣe kékeré o.
Bring out something.
Ọba Elédùà kó máa ṣọ́ wa.
Somebody has been accused, yeah. So, Dora has been accused of fraud, adultery, abduction. Daddy Freeze, you know they tell you before you carry ring lights, when people marriage break, you are always inside it. This is another marriage scandal. Why are you not talking? You are quick to talk when they say pastor, then collect money. You go come, hey! You go begin make fun. Hey! In Nigeria, don't come again. Why are you not talking? Your pastor friend, Tobi Adegboye, is involved in a case of fraud, XX scandal, and abduction, where they say somebody abduct somebody pikin. I mean that the woman get the pikin by herself. Now, they said the woman stole 2 Mercedes SUV of her husband to finance the lavish lifestyle of Tobi Adegboyega. This is more than 3 contents in one. Daddy Freeze, ẹ bá ń táàgì ẹ̀. Ẹ táàgì ẹ̀, ó gbọ́ Yorùbá, mo gbọ́ Yorùbá. Ó lè máa ṣekú ṣẹyẹ. Ṣọ̀tún ṣòsì má bà tìbì kan jẹ́. Ó lè jóye ò jẹ́ ńlé orò, jẹ́ ńlé egúngún. Kó wá bọ́ta kó bú orò nìkan. Tó bá jẹ́ ńlé orò tó jẹ́ ńlé egúngún, àtòrò, àtégúngún, kò yẹ kó gbẹ́nu sọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Ìwọ tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ ni if you are going to come with a clean hand tó bá bá wọn jẹ. Your case is like the case of àwọn tó ń bá politician jẹ, tó ń bá politician mu, that will now come out and start castigating politician when it doesn't go their way. That is your case, the way your case is. Daddy Freeze, you are not only mentioned in this case, even your wife was mentioned in this case. They said this lady is a close associate of you and your wife. The lady that introduced Dora to Tobi Adegboyega. Tí Tobi Adegboye, tí Dora fi wá rí Tobi Adegboyega as man of God, and she had to sell 2 of her husband's car to go and give Tobi Adegboyega. You see, somebody said, Enisuru, somebody on YouTube said, Tobi made my cousin's daughter and husband to go bankrupt. They couldn't use their names anymore. There are a lot of people that have experiences about this Tobi Adegboyega. Just go to YouTube on that exposure. Is it exposure? So why are you not analyzing this issue, Tobi Daddy Freeze? Why are you not putting on your ring lights to come and tell us? Is it true Tobi Adegboyega collected money from that lady? Is it true Tobi Adegboyega has any kerewa with the lady? What is really going on? This is somebody's son. They said the guy almost by himself from this case. To the Daddy Freeze. For almost 3 or 4 days now. In fact, over a week. The issue just came out which day? Why are you not talking? Why are you not saying anything? Why are you not putting on your ring light? Why are you not analyzing these issues? Why are you not bringing the parties involved to come and talk?
Drop your comment. Remember to like, share, and follow us. Thanks for watching.